वालेकुम सलाम।
अस्सलाम मैम।
ठीक हो?
वालेकुम सलाम। यस।
यस
यस
मैम।
मैम।
वीकेंड
यस
आने
मैम।
वाला, ठीक तो हो गया ना? है ना?
यस मैम।
छुट्टी होने वाली है। अच्छा जी। एक मिनट जी बच्चे, so as I have sent you some definitions, or you can say some of the types related to adjectives, and I ask you to read those points, and we will discuss within the class, and we will do an activity as well. So I hope you people have read those things. सबने पढ़ा?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
यस
Very
मैम।
good. Very good. अच्छा जी. So, what we are going to do, as you people have read those points, and we will do discussion. I'm not just going to tell you each and every point. Yeah, we will discuss those points separately. But first of all, as I have told you in the previous class, that adjectives. What are the adjectives, Abdul Wahid?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the adjectives?
A word that qualifies and add to the meaning of noun or pronoun.
Yeah, we can say that noun, we can say that adjectives basically provides us the information, it gives us the description regarding to the noun as well as the pronoun, as well as the pronouns. Yes. So keep within your mind that adjectives, whenever you come to know a word within any description or any reading material that is qualifying, or that is modifying, or giving you the information about a noun or the pronoun, that word will be an adjective. Simple. That word which will give you an information, and which will modify information about noun and the pronoun. Keep within your mind information about the noun as well as the pronouns. That will one will be the adjective. And adjectives, there are many different types of adjectives, and acha, Ariba Akhtar,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the different types of adjectives?
Different types of adjective: descriptive adjective,
Hmm.
quantitative,
Okay.
proper, demonstrative, possessive, and interrogative adjective, indefinite
Okay.
adjective, or compound adjective.
Bilal Ahmed Guman. Bilal, is my voice audible to you? Bilal, can you hear me? Perhaps there are some of the signal issues. Okay. Marwa Idris.
Yes मैम।
Bache, what is descriptive adjective?
मैम, it is a word that describe nouns or pronouns.
Yeah, that gives you the information. Basically, it's very simple. Any word that is describing, or any word that is giving us the information about the noun as well as a pronoun, that word will be an adjective. Okay. For example, it's a very pleasant weather today. It's a very pleasant weather today. I am giving us the information about what? Here I'm giving the information of what?
Pleasant.
About weather.
I'm giving the
Weather.
information about the weather, and weather is what? What's the
Pleasant.
information? Pleasant. So here weather is very pleasant today. So I am here giving you the information about the noun, that is weather, and then pleasant will be an adjective here. So simple. The descriptive adjective gives the description, you can say, or gives the information regarding the regarding a noun as well as a pronoun. It's very simple. Okay, and you can make any kind of sentence regarding this descriptive adjective. Now let's move forward. Now then we have the quantitative adjective. Aqsa Akhtar. Aqsa अख्तर आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही? अक्सा की आवाज मुझ तक नहीं आ रही। नोमान इकबाल, नोमान इकबाल, नोमान इकबाल, बच्चे, is my voice clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. शान मोहम्मद, शान मोहम्मद, बच्चे कीप विद इन योर माइंड। अगर आप लोगों की क्लास में प्रेजेंस हो रही है, एक मिनट, अगर आप लोगों की क्लास में प्रेजेंस जो हो रही है और आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट ही नहीं करते हैं, मैं आपका नेम बुलाऊं और आप लोग आगे से अनम्यूट ही ना करें, तो ये आप लोगों की क्लास परफॉर्मेंस के अंदर सब चीज़ें काउंट होती हैं। अगर आप डेलिबरेटली करते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि आपके सेशनल तो फिर वैसे के वैसे ही कट जाएंगे, फिर उसके लिए रोना मत। हाँ, सिग्नल इशू है तो वो आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करते हैं तो वो मुझे बच्चे की समझ आ जाती है कि हाँ इस बच्चे का सिग्नल इशू आ रहा है, इसलिए बच्चा अपने आप को, इसके बच्चे की मुझे आवाज़ नहीं आ रही। सो बी केयरफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम। इसके बाद फिर मैं जिम्मेदार नहीं होंगी इस चीज़ की। शान मोहम्मद।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चे, व्हाट इज क्वांटिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव?
Quantitative adjective provide information about the quantity of nouns and pronouns.
Exactly. Quantitative information is very clear and it's very understandable from its name. Quantity, quantitative. It's adjective. Adjective means to give information about the noun as well as a pronoun. So giving the information in the form of quantity, that will be the quantitative adjective. Okay? And while talking about the quantitative adjectives, you can use you can tell the quantity in different ways. For example, you can tell the quantity in the way of each, many, much, few, little, several. These are also the words that gives you the information about the quantity, as well as the quantitative adjective also includes the definite words or the definite quantity or the fixed quantity which you find out in different ways. For example, there is 3 liter water in the jug, or you can say there is 3 liter. In any way, 3 liter is basically giving us the specific information. But if I say there is little milk in the jug, so this one is also giving you the information in the quantitative way. Okay, so that will be the quantitative adjective. Is it clear to everyone?
Ma'am? Yes,
जी
ma'am.
बच्चे। तहरीम, आपकी आवाज मुझे सही तरीके से नहीं आ रही है। तहरीम।
यस मैम।
जी बच्चे, आप क्लियर है, आपकी आवाज बोलो।
मैम मैं आपसे पूछ रही थी कि जो आपने अभी हमें एग्जांपल बताई है सम मिल्क वाली, तो इसमें जो हमारे पास सम है, इसमें हम प्रॉपर इसे काउंट तो नहीं ना कर सकते? जिस तरह हमारे पास 20 कार्स हैं, इसमें 20 को तो काउंट कर सकते हैं।
काउंट कर सकते हैं, बट डू यू थिंक दैट सम इज गिविंग यू द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द क्वांटिटी? Can you assume while thinking about the words like little, few, some, much, many, you can understand the sense of these words, no?
Yes ma'am.
You can understand the sense of these words, so it means it's a quantity. ठीक है? Is it clear? So quantitative adjective में ये सब चीजें आ जाती हैं. Whole the class was present. Whole class. I am not here talking about the number of the students, for example 40 present or the 39 present or any other. So whole the class was present. Whole is giving you the sense that all the students were present. All means to say what the specific amount or what the specific number of the class is. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so quantitative adjectives gives you such kind of information in the form of quantity. Okay, so I have completed my whole task. Whole is also giving you the information that I have completed my task. So the quantitative adjective also gives you the information in the form of numbers, and it also gives you the information about much, many, few, little, some, several. These includes the quantitative adjective. Hurry up and make an example of the quantitative adjective. Everybody, first of all, raise your hands and then I will allow you to speak. Shazmeena?
I have 5 books.
Ji Shazmeena?
I have 5 books.
I have 5 books. They're giving the information about the noun, that is books, and quantity is what? 5. Very good. Muniba Fatima?
Ma'am,
Ji Vijay?
ma'am, some few these are included in indefinite.
Yeah, these are included in the indefinite, but indefinite में जब आऊंगी तो मैं इन दोनों में difference भी बताऊंगी, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, indefinite में भी आते हैं, लेकिन इसके जब indefinite पे आऊंगी तो इसका difference बताऊंगी. But quantitative में ये चीजें भी आती हैं, add होती हैं, because they're giving you the information about the quantity, ना? You can tell the quantity. You can tell the quantity in different ways, isn't it? आप बता सकते हैं ना, क्वांटिटी आप डिफरेंट वेज में बताते हैं. ओके, मारिया अली?
I have 10 candies.
I have 10 candies. Okay. Tahim Ishfaq?
They have 3 children.
Okay. Jamila?
I have 4 books.
Try to make some complex sentences. Muhammad Shuaib?
Please give me a little water. I have 20 rupees in my pocket.
Okay, yes. Iza Ashraf?
My brother have 2 cars.
Your brother have?
2 cars.
Okay. Rabia? Rabia? Razia, not Rabia. Razia?
I have 50 rupees in my pocket.
Okay. Inamullah?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have much time.
Yes, you don't have much time. Yeah, that is also giving us the information about the quantity. You don't have much time.
Yes.
Abdul Wahid?
We had much bread.
You have much bread?
Bread.
Acha ji. So moving forward, this was about the quantitative adjective that gives you the information about the quantity, and it can be in different forms. Now moving forward, we have proper adjectives. Have you studied this proper adjectives? Do you know? Who is going to tell me about this proper adjective? Except Tahreem. Muniba Fatima?
Proper noun.
Okay.
And it is in capital letters.
Okay.
For example, Chinese people are hard workers.
Okay. Tahreem Ishfaq? जी बच्चे बोले? जी बच्चे, do you want to say something?
No.
Okay, Jamila Zafar?
Ma'am, proper adjective, ma'am, when proper noun is used to describe other noun.
Exactly, very good. Proper adjective, it's very clear and understandable from its name, proper. Okay, proper, you have studied about the proper nouns. What are the proper nouns? That gives you the information about some specific thing, okay, or specific person, specific place. In the same way, proper adjectives give you the information about the proper. Proper means to say it's going to give you the proper information. ठीक है? Proper adjectives are those adjectives that gives you are actually the proper nouns. Proper adjectives are basically the proper nouns that gives you the information about another noun. Keep it in your mind that proper adjectives are those adjectives that give proper are the basically the proper nouns. Proper nouns होते हैं जो कि that gives you the information about any other noun. There are many green leaves on the tree. There are many green leaves on the tree. ठीक है? So here what are the noun here? What are the nouns?
Trees.
Yes, trees are the noun. And
Leaves.
Leaves.
yes, and any other noun? Is there any other noun?
Green.
Yes, green. There are many green leaves on the tree. And what is that proper noun that is giving you the information about any other noun? What is that word?
Green leaves. Green.
Green leaves.
Green leaves. Leaves are the noun that is giving you the information, and leaves are what? Green leaves. Green is the specific name of a color. So here there are many green leaves. Green is giving, that is a proper noun and giving you the information about another noun. Okay, then that will be the then that will be proper adjectives. Okay, or for example, I love Chinese food. Okay, I love Chinese food. Here Chinese is what? Chinese is another proper noun, and that is giving you the information about another noun, that is the word food. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hurry up and make an example. Hurry up and make an example of proper adjective. Hurry up. Ji Mohammed Shuaib.
I have book of the Holy. I love the book of Holy Quran.
I love the book
Of Holy Quran.
of Holy Quran.
Yeah, another example है dairy milk chocolates are famous.
Dairy milk chocolates are famous. Okay, Akila.
Pakistani people are very hardworking.
Pakistani people are very hardworking. Very good. Shazmina Nisar, आप बच्चे बोल के अपना हैंड लो कर लिया करो.
American cars are very strong.
American cars are very strong. Nimra.
All the African people are not black.
Okay. Mute yourself. जी निम्रा बोले.
All the African peoples are not black.
All the African peoples. Again. दोबारा बोलो बच्चे. Yes. All the African people are not black.
Are
Yes,
not
you are
black.
very right. Here African is giving you the information about those people, African people. Okay? It's not peoples. Peoples is a wrong word. People itself is a plural. Is Ashraf?
Pakistani food is very famous in world.
Yes. Shivga Zahir.
I like to see Islamabad Museum.
Yes. Muhammad Osman.
He lives in Russia.
Again.
He lives in Russia.
He lives in Russia. Is there any word that is giving you the specific information? Lives क्या है? Lives क्या है? Lives क्या है? What is lives? बच्चे lives क्या है? It's a verb ना? It's not a
Yes.
noun here.
Yes.
Then is it giving you the information about any noun? Rashia is giving you the information about any noun? Think about it again, bete. Tahreem Ishfaq.
I love Chinese food.
Okay. So these words are basically types about the proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are those proper noun that gives you the information. Keep within your mind that proper adjective, that proper noun within a sentence that will give you the information about any other noun. That word, that proper noun will be a proper adjective. Is it clear to everyone again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective?
Demonstrative adjective.
Maria?
Yes, ma'am.
जी बच्चे बोलो.
Demonstrative adjective directly refers to something or someone. It does not precede the noun, it works alone.
Okay. Anyone else? Is Ashraf?
Demonstrative pronoun directly refers something or someone. It does not proceed now.
So, demonstrative adjective, it's very understandable from its name, from its word, from its title, that is demonstrative, that is going to demonstrate something. Demonstrative words, and you know very well what are the demonstratives, that this, that, those, that is used to identify. ठीक है? Demonstrative, that is, these are demonstrative are the words that are used to identify. Previously we have studied demonstrative in the demonstrative pronouns that demonstrate or that identify the pronoun. ठीक है? Then we have demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives that are used to identify. ठीक है? Identify किस sense में करना है? For example, but here we have to make it clear this thing. ये demonstrative adjective है. Adjective को demonstrate करना है. Not here. Previously that was the demonstrative pronoun. ठीक है? Within that एक pronoun को demonstrate करना था. ठीक है? But here we have demonstrative adjective. And within the demonstrative adjective, the word which we are going to use for that in order to demonstrate should demonstrate here to the noun. Then that will be the demonstrative adjective. Okay? So here demonstrative adjectives, keep within your mind that demonstrative adjective. For example, make any sentence of the demonstrative pronoun. Anyone who wants to tell me the example of demonstrative pronoun? Muniba.
Ma'am, give me that blue water bottle.
Give me that blue water bottle. Okay, here pronoun is what? What is the pronoun here? What is the pronoun here?
Ma'am,
Again? What is pronoun?
Ma'am, that is demonstrative pronoun also.
Give दोबारा sentence बताओ अपना.
Give me that blue water bottle.
Give me. Here me is what?
Yes, ma'am, pronoun. Sorry.
Me is the pronoun here, na? Give me
Yes.
that. Here, give me that. Me को pronoun को refer कर रहा है, ठीक है? But ये, for example, this is my pen. This is my pen. What sentence is this? This is my.
Demonstrative pronoun.
Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. This is my pen. Here you are identifying that pen. This pen. This is my pen. But now comes towards this demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives में क्या होता है कि आपका जो demonstrative word होता है, this, that, these, those, these words always comes before the noun in the demonstrative adjective.
this is my pen, this sentence is referring to the demonstrative pronoun. But when you are going to make it into a demonstrative adjective, here keep within your mind demonstrative adjective में जो demonstrative words हैं this, that, these, those, इन्होंने identify करना है noun को, ठीक है, not to the pronoun. Are you getting me? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव बात पहले डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव में जो वर्ड है उसने रेफर करना है नाउन को, ठीक है, और कीप विद इन योर माइंड दैट डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव ऑलवेज कम्स बिफोर द नाउन एंड दीज टू वर्ड्स ऑलवेज कम्स टुगेदर विद इन अ सेंटेंस, ठीक है. The sentence what? This is my pen. This is demonstrative pronoun. When you are going to convert it into a demonstrative adjective, this pen is mine. This pen is mine. Here, what is the noun here?
Pen. Pen.
And to whom the word? What is the demonstrative word? And to whom the demonstrative word is referring to?
This, ma'am.
This is demonstrative.
Because here this is referring to the word, this is referring to a noun, then that will be the, because this is giving information. Pen. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. Demonstrative adjective हमेशा demonstrative जो word है आपका और जो noun है वो हमेशा इकट्ठे आते हैं within a sentence, ठीक है. That will be the demonstrative adjective. This is my pen. This is my pen shows the this is my pen. ठीक है, ये आपको रेफर कर रहा है, demonstrate कर रहा है, ठीक है, demonstrative pronoun here. This pen is mine. This pen. Where here noun and the demonstrative have come together, so this one will be the demonstrative adjective. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone who wants to ask me the question? Is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Or is there any confusion? What about others? No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Clear or clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abdurrahman?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdurrahman?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बताया मैंने अभी क्या बताया?
Demonstrative adjective used to identify something like nouns. इसमें demonstrative और noun sentence में इकट्ठे आते हैं. Comes together.
Make any sentence.
In a sentence.
Make any sentence.
This car is mine. This or car इसमें comes together in a sentence. That's why it is demonstrative adjective.
It is demonstrative adjective. ठीक है. Now move forward. Then we have that possessive adjectives. What is meant by this possessive?
Shows ownership.
Shows the ownership, ठीक है, and it's very understandable from its word possessive adjective that shows the ownership, and you know what, within these adjectives as we have studied from this demonstrative pronoun, in the same way while studying this possessive adjectives में भी आपका जो possessive word होता है, my, mine, her, his, yours, these all words comes together with the noun within a sentence in order to show the possessiveness. This pen is mine. Here, this pen, that was a demonstrative. Okay? And here, this pen is mine is not giving you the information about that is not identifying mine, but that is identifying to pen. Okay? Mine was the word that shows the ownership as well. But moving towards this possessive adjectives are those words that shows the ownership, okay, that shows the belonging to someone or something. ठीक है, so in the same way आपका ये जो possessive word होगा within a sentence वो हमेशा noun के साथ आएगा, ठीक है. My room is very neat and clean. My room is very neat and clean. What is a noun here?
Room.
Room is a noun. And what shows the possessiveness?
My.
So my room will be what? My room will indicate towards this possessive adjective. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up and make an example of this possessive adjective. Nurul Huda.
Your cycle has been stolen.
Your cycle has been stolen. Very good. Amber Nayab.
My house is beautifully decorated.
Yes, Ayman.
My cat is very cute.
Okay. Rabia.
I'm looking after her dog.
I am looking after her dog. Very good. Her shows the possessiveness and dog is a noun here. Marwa Idris.
My dress is very beautiful.
Okay. Muhammad Shoaib.
Ali is driving his car.
Ali is driving his car. Yes. Noman Iqbal.
I like his bag.
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है नोमान.
Ma'am, I like his bag.
You like his bag. This is also shows the showing the ownership of that person. Kamus.
My shirt is blue.
My shirt is blue. Yes, my is showing the possessiveness and shirt is a noun here. Okay, so these were the examples of possessive adjective, and I hope you people have clearly understand what is meant by this possessive adjective. If you have any confusion, you can ask me right now. Then I have to move forward.
Ma'am,
Gigi.
अगर सेंटेंस हो the color of my car is black तो फिर भी ये होगा adjective possessive.
The color of my car is black. Do you think that here my again bolo this the color of my car is black. Okay, what is noun here? What are the nouns here?
Car.
Okay, and
color
and
black.
And what are the two words that have come together that shows the ownership as well as the noun here?
My car. Both come together.
Yes, my car. The color of my car is black. Yeah, there are adjectives. Black is giving you the information here. Na? Black is giving you the information about the color. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then black here will be an adjective here. The color of my car is black. Okay? So here color is a noun here, and my car will indicate towards his possessive adjective. My is showing the possessive. My is indicating towards the possessiveness, the belonging, as well as car is a noun here. Then the color of my car is black. This one is an example of possessive adjective. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Gigi.
मैम अगर ऐसे सेंटेंस हो कि माई कार इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल तो फिर क्या ये भी पोसेसिव एडजेक्टिव होगा?
What do you think? This one is showing the possessiveness or not? This one is showing the possessiveness or not? Showing the possessiveness, na? And is there any? Do you think that within this sentence, possessive word as well as the noun have come together?
जी मैम, my car.
My car. Then this will be what?
Possessive pronoun, adjective.
Exactly. That this will be the possessive adjective.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now moving forward, then we have the interrogative adjectives. Who is going to tell me about this interrogative adjectives? Muniba?
And then a word that modifies a noun by asking a question.
By asking a question, and it's very clear from its name about interrogative. You're going to interrogate. कहते हैं ना पुलिस ने इंटरोगेशन शुरू की हुई है. इंटरोगेशन मीन्स टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. सो इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स आर आल्सो वेरी क्लियर फ्रॉम इट्स name that within the interrogative adjectives you will ask the questions about that will give you the information that would provide or that are used to ask the information about that noun. ठीक है. Means to interrogate. For example, whose car is this? Whose car is this? What is the noun here?
Car.
And what is that word which is used to interrogate?
Whose.
And one thing is very common which we have studied previously. What is that word? Which one? What?
Interrogative adjective always precedes a noun.
Precedes a noun. ठीक है. As we have studied within the demonstrative as well as in the possessive, in the same way interrogative adjectives always precedes the noun, always comes before the noun, you can say, or always precedes the noun. Whose car is this? Here we have a noun as well as we have the interrogative word. Whose car is this? This one is showing the asking the question. ठीक है. इसमें ये इन तीनों में सिमिलैरिटी ये है कि ये हमेशा नाउन के साथ आप इनको ये वर्ड्स प्रीसीड करते हैं. एनी अदर एग्जांपल, फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट गेम डू यू वांट टू प्ले? व्हाट गेम डू यू वांट टू प्ले? व्हाट इज द नाउन हियर? Game. And what is that? Showing the which interrogative sense.
What
game do you want to play? This one is also this. So then this will be the interrogative adjectives. ठीक है. So here within the interrogative adjectives, within the possessive adjective and the demonstrative adjectives, these all the types have one similarity, that the word always that particular word will always comes or you can say will always precedes the noun, will always comes before the noun. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
तो नहीं है?
No ma'am.
Okay, hurry up and make an example of this interrogative adjective. Shazmina.
Which phone do you use?
Yes. Akila.
Which place is this?
Which place is this? Yes. Is Ashraf.
Who is the owner of this business?
Again.
Who is the owner of this business?
Okay, tell me, do you think that who is the owner of this business? Do you think that within this word you have the noun as well as the interrogative words are together?
Yes, ma'am.
Isa?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think that within this example the noun as well as the interrogative word is together, are together?
Then who is interrogative adjective and business is noun?
Business is a noun. So क्या who and business are together in a sentence? These two words are together. These is a mute yourself. मैं बताती हूँ. Whose who is the owner of this business, for example, who is आ रहा है, that is showing the interrogative sense, but keep within your mind interrogative जो adjectives होते हैं उसमें जो आपका interrogative word है और आपका जो noun है, these both should come together within a sentence. Whose business is this? Whose business is this? ये हो सकता है, ठीक है. Who is the owner of this business is not giving you the sense of interrogative adjective, because here interrogative word as well as the noun, these both are not together, ठीक है. But whose business is this? Whose business? Whose is also giving you the sense of the question, and business is a noun here. Muniba Fatima.
Which key is the tallest?
Yes, Nimra Umar.
Which topics are more important for this discussion?
Very good. Muhammad Shuaib.
Which book do you prefer?
Okay. Tareem Ishfaq.
Which pen do you like the most?
Nimra.
मैम हो गए.
निम्रा. ओके, फिर हाथ नीचे कर लो ना. किरण.
Which color do you like the most?
Which color do you like the most? So these all the words are giving you the sense of the interrogative adjectives, and then we have the indefinite adjectives. Who is going to tell me about this indefinite adjective? Hurry up, we have to move towards an activity. Okay, bache, wait for a while. I'm going to mute myself. मैं आती हूँ 1 मिनट में. Yes, definite, clear and very understandable from its name. Indefinite. Indefinite, that will give you the sense that you don't have the information about that specific number, ठीक है, but you have some sense of that. For example, there is 3 liter milk in the jug. Here we have the specific amount. We know the specific amount, but if we say there is several मैं म्यूट हो गई थी. मैं म्यूट करी, मेरे सिग्नल खराब हो गए थे. अच्छा जी. Is my voice audible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I was on the point of the indefinite adjectives that gives you the information about the adjective. But if I was on the point that if there is a word, a sentence that there is 3 liter milk in the jug, here you have the specific quantity. You know the specific quantity. But if there is some milk in the jug, here you don't know that specific number. You don't know the specific quantity. Then you will use some. So indefinite, when you don't have the specific, in the some, few, little, several, these are the words that gives you the none. These are the words that gives you the information about the indefinite sense. Now comes towards the difference between the indefinite as well as the quantitative adjectives. Within the indefinite adjectives, can you use the sense of that particular amount? Can you say that?
No.
No. Indefinite adjectives, when you have there are 20 books on the shelves. Here you have the specific quantity. Here you know the specific quantity, then that will be the quantitative adjectives, ठीक है. But when you know that that would not be the indefinite, ठीक है, because you know the specific number. There are several books on the shelves. Here you have some of the sense that the several is giving you the sense of indefinite. You don't know the specific number, ठीक है. बच्चे एक बार ज़हन में रखो कि indefinite के अंदर specific amount नहीं आती, ठीक है. specific sense को आप नहीं क्रिएट करते, लेकिन जो क्वांटिटेटिव है उसके अंदर आपकी इंडेफिनिट भी आ जाती है, बिकॉज दैट विल गिव यू द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द क्वांटिटी एज वेल, ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं सेंस क्रिएट हो जाती है, ठीक है। लेकिन जैसे कि जो क्वांटिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव है उसके अंदर स्पेसिफिक और भी आती है, नॉन स्पेसिफिक भी आ जाते हैं, ठीक है। बट विद इन द इनडेफिनिट हमेशा नॉन स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ही आएगी, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट और दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वांटिटी in the definite quantity you don't know, ठीक है, then that will be the indefinite। आपका जो क्वांटिटेटिव है उसके अंदर आपकी दोनों सेंस आ जाते हैं, डेफिनेट एज वेल एज द इनडेफिनेट। बट इन द indefinite adjectives you only have this indefinite number, several, few, some, many, much, that will give you the sense। but indefinite के अंदर definite number, the definite amount, the definite quantity जो होती है वो नहीं आती। Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am, it means indefinite adjective is also quantitative adjective.
Yeah, indefinite adjectives comes under the category of quantitative adjective, but quantitative adjective never comes under the category of indefinite. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hurry up and make an example of indefinite adjective. Number?
He gave me few rupees.
He gave you few rupees. Yes. Kiran?
Only few students are present in the class.
Subha Zahid?
Someone need the books.
Someone needs the books. Tahreem Ishfaq? Tahreem?
There are only few deer left.
Is Ashraf?
He gave some money to her sister.
Hila?
I have a few gold coins.
Okay. Inamullah?
Many people were called for interview.
Peoples?
Many people were called for interview.
Exactly. Many people were called for the interview, so that will indicate the sense of the indefinite adjectives. ठीक है? For example, each student will have to submit their assignment tomorrow. Each student, here each is also giving you the sense of this indefinite adjectives. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now move towards the next type of this adjectives that we have, the articles. Article, what are the articles? Who is going to tell me about the articles? Amir Hamza.
Which also modifies.
Take a minute. Amir Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the articles?
Modify nouns, ma'am.
What are the articles, first of all?
Articles. Articles are also called adjectives.
What are the articles? पहले सिर्फ ये बताओ, articles adjective जो कहते हैं वो नहीं होते क्या adjectives?
Adjective क्या होता है मैम?
नहीं बच्चे, articles क्या होते हैं? कौन से articles होते हैं?
Articles कौन से होते हैं?
कभी a and the के वर्ड सुने? हमजा, कभी a and the ये वर्ड सुने?
सुने
है ना? ये दा जो है पंजाबी वाला दा सुना है या इंग्लिश वाला दा भी कभी सुना है?
इंग्लिश वाला भी सुना हुआ है।
इंग्लिश वाला भी दा सुना हुआ है। तो ये क्या हुए हैं? ये क्या कहते हैं इनको? इनको आर्टिकल्स कहते हैं। These are the articles. A and the, that will that gives you the information, the specific sense, ठीक है? A और and use होते हैं when you have just one thing, ठीक है? A cat, ठीक है? A cats तो नहीं होता ना? A या होता है?
So articles are the words, and you know what are the articles? And the, that gives you the sense of the specific or the unspecific. और and आप जब तब use करते हैं जब आप किसी unspecific चीज के बात कर रहे होते हैं. For example, a cat is very fluffy. ठीक है. Here you are talking about any cat. ठीक है. A cat is very fluffy. But when you will say the cat is very fluffy, here the is giving you the sense कि आप किसी एक particular specific cat की बात कर रहे हैं जो आपके सामने है, या आप किसी ऐसी cat को जानते हैं जो कि बहुत fluffy है. ठीक है. The cat is very fluffy. ठीक है. जिस specific sense में आ गया. A cat is very fluffy. तो here a जो है वो giving you the sense कि कोई भी cat है और वो कोई भी है जो fluffy हो सकती है. ठीक है. And you know very well कि a और an आपने कब use करने होते हैं. And तब आप यूज करते हैं जब आप vowels के साथ लगाते हैं. What are the vowels?
A E I O U.
A E I O U. A E I O U.
ये तो सारों को आते हैं ना. A E I O U नर्सरी में पढ़े थे ना.
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
नर्सरी की याद ताज़ा हो गई है. ठीक हो गया. So and बाकी जो a होता है वो आप consonants के साथ लगाते हैं. But those words alphabets जो कि A E I O U नहीं है, but the other word like B हो गया या C हो गया, D हो गया, ठीक है, F हो गया, these are the consonants. ठीक है. So जो दा होता है वो specific चीज को रेफर करने के लिए होता है. But when comes towards this articles are also the adjectives. ठीक है. Articles भी adjectives का role play कर सकते हैं. That will give you the information because they are giving you the information about the specific and the non-specific sense. ठीक है. किसी चीज के specific होने या non-specific होने की sense को ये you can identify कर रहे हैं, demonstrate कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Giving you the information. So articles give you the information about the those. For example, an electronic device is not working well. An electronic device. In the same way, in the same sense that we have studied previously in the demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, जो हमेशा noun के साथ आते हैं. In the same way, articles जो होते हैं ये भी हमेशा वो articles जो noun के साथ आ रहे होते हैं वो adjective का role play कर रहे होते हैं because they are giving you the information of specific or non-specific. An electronic device is not working well. What is an article here? And what is a noun here?
Electronic
device.
Electronic device. So here an electronic device is not working well. So here we have the information about that. Because a और an हमेशा information देते हैं specific या non-specific की, तो ये भी articles का role play कर सकते हैं. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes ma'am.
Yes
Hurry up
ma'am.
and make an example. Hurry up and make an example. Muniba.
The dog is a faithful animal.
Yes, that dog. Giving you the information about the dog. That specific dog. Nimra Umar.
I saw the elephant at the zoo.
I saw the elephant. Yes. The elephant हो गया ना. Akila Jabeen.
Yes.
A girl is singing a song.
A girl is singing the song. Muniba कह रही हूँ. Marwa Idris.
I saw an accident of car.
I saw an accident of a car. I saw an accident. What do you think? What is that article and a noun within the sentence, Marwa?
An is a article and accident is a.
I saw an accident. Accident is a noun or a verb? I saw an accident. That is a an stative दूसरे verb के अंदर आ जाता है. Accident जो है वो कोई noun नहीं है. I saw. I इधर saw भी जो है ये verb. ठीक है. Try to make another example. Inamullah.
Ali is a tall boy.
Ali is a tall boy. What is tall?
बड़ा.
मैंने मतलब नहीं पूछा बेटा, ट्रांसलेशन करने को नहीं कहा. आई एम आस्किंग व्हाट इज टॉल हियर.
Adjective.
एडजेक्टिव है तो ये नाउन तो नहीं हुआ ना.
Yes.
तो एडजेक्टिव के साथ आ हुआ है ना. आपने आर्टिकल लगाना होता है नाउन के साथ जो कि आपको एडजेक्टिव का रोल प्ले करेगा. आर्टिकल. ठीक है. ट्राई टू मेक एनी अदर सेंटेंस. अंबर नायाब.
The cow is grazing in this field.
Okay. Jamila.
She is a beautiful girl.
She is a beautiful girl. What is beautiful?
Adjective.
So noun तो ना हुआ ना. Try to make it clear. Try to make it clear. Articles जो noun के साथ आ रहे होते हैं, these are playing the role of adjectives. वो articles जो हैं, वो adjective का role play कर रहे हैं. ठीक है?
Yes,
Is it clear? तो noun के साथ article आएगा. noun के साथ article आएगा क्योंकि adjectives जो होते हैं वो noun को modify करते हैं, noun से related या pronoun से related information देते हैं. ठीक है. adjective की information नहीं दे रहा. ठीक है. So जो article use करते हैं वो noun की information देंगे, वो आपने noun के साथ लगाने हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now moving forward, then we have compound adjectives. We have to complete it and we have to do an activity. Okay, compound adjectives we have. What do you think about this word compound? Razia?
जी मैम. मैम it's mean combine.
Okay, let me find my own target. Let me find my target. एक मिनट जरा रुक जाओ. ये जो खामोश रूहें हैं इनको जरा मैं जगा लूं. सुगरा. Sugra, can you hear me? Otherwise, I will remove you from the class if you will not unmute yourself. Sugra. Let me know if your net is not working. Rida Fakhar.
Yes, ma'am.
जी बच्चे. What is the compound noun? Compound क्या?
More than.
जी जी बोलो बच्चों.
When more than one word or noun combines and give simple noun or word.
Compound when two different words are combined together in order to make another word that will give you the sense or the meaning of a separate meaning that will give you then that will be the compound word. But when we have the compound adjective, when the compound word comes together with the noun, that will be the compound adjectives. ठीक है? ठीक है. This is एक मिनट.
मैम एक दफा रिपीट कीजिएगा.
कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं जो कि आपके कंपाउंड वर्ड्स होते हैं ना. कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. ठीक है. कंपाउंड वर्ड्स जो कि दो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स कंबाइन होके एक सेपरेट वर्ड बनते हैं जो कि अपना एक मीनिंग होता है जिनका. वो कंपाउंड वर्ड जब व्हेन दे कम्स विद दिस नाउन तो वो एक कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव बन जाते हैं. वो जो कंपाउंड वर्ड जो है वो एक नाउन के साथ रिलेट होते हैं तो वो कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव बन जाते हैं. जैसे कि आप लोगों को जो मैंने डाटा भेजा था उसमें एग्जांपल है. आई हैव अ ब्रोकन डाउन सोफा. आई हैव अ ब्रोकन डाउन सोफा. ठीक है. हियर ब्रोकन डाउन इज नॉट अ वर्ब हियर. ब्रोकन डाउन सोफा. ठीक है. ब्रोकन डाउन मतलब पहले ही टूटा हुआ है. I have a broken down sofa. So वो जो broken down है that is a compound word and giving you the information about what? Giving you the information about what?
Sofa.
Sofa na? Giving you the information about sofa. So broken down is the compound word that is come together that has preceded. You can say that is combined together with the noun.
and giving you the information about that noun. Adjective का काम ही information देना होता है, whether it's in the form of possessive, whether it's the form of demonstrative, interrogative, in articles, quantitative, या descriptive होगा. These always describe or modify the nouns. एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई नहीं कर रहा होता. एडजेक्टिव्स का रोल ही यही होता है कि वो नाउन को मॉडिफाई करेगा या नाउन को आइडेंटिफाई करेगा. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Hurry
ma'am.
up and make an example. Hurry up and make an example. Akila.
She is a hard-working girl.
She is a hard-working girl. Hard-working is giving you the information here. She is a hard-working girl about that girl. Very good. अब जरा मुझे बाकी जो भी यहाँ पे अजीम हस्तियां हैं जो अपने आप को बुलाना या बोलना पसंद नहीं करती, इनको जरा मैं बुला लूं, जगा लूं मैं इन लोगों को. मुजम्मिल खान. मुजम्मिल खान. हाँ जी, give me an example of this compound adjective. हाँ जी, give me an example of compound adjective.
I saw a 6 foot long snake.
Any other example? ये तो वो example है जो तुम्हें भेजी हुई है पहले ग्रुप के अंदर.
Ali is hard-working student.
Any other example? ये भी उस बच्ची ने बता दी है. ये सेम ही है, मैच करती है. Any other? अच्छा मुजम्मिल, ये proper adjective क्या होता है?
A proper adjective when proper noun modify an other noun.
Okay. एक मिनट जरा. हाफिजा मुजम्मिल. हाफिजा मुजम्मिल.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, give me an example of compound adjective.
I read newspaper daily.
I read newspaper daily. Do you think that newspaper is giving you the information of what? What is a noun here and what is the compound word here? I read.
Ma'am.
Read तो हो गया verb. Read तो हो गया verb. You read what? You read newspaper
Yes, ma'am.
daily. अब बताओ जरा इधर कौन सा तुम्हारा noun है और कौन से तुम्हारे compound word है?
Ma'am, compound noun newspaper.
हाँ, वो तो हो गया newspaper. तो हमने compound adjective को पढ़ रहे हैं ना, तो इधर कौन सा ऐसा word है जो कि compound होकर is giving you the information about a noun? I read newspaper. You read what? You read newspaper. Read हो गया, verb हो गया, तुम्हारे साथ इधर वो आ गया है function, जो object आ गया. Object क्या है इधर? newspaper and daily. ये daily क्या है? Think about it. Try to make any other example. Okay, moving forward, I have an activity for you today. जो हमारी class जो है वो time खत्म होने वाला है. वो activity करते हैं. Then we have to study some of the degrees of adjectives. वो activity के बाद करते हैं, ठीक है? I am going to send you some of the MCQs based question in the group, and you will answer those questions on your registers, and I will ask you. You are not going to send me the pictures of those exercise in the group, but you will answer me verbally in the live class. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to send you that activity in the group, and you will do it. Wait. एक मिनट रुको जरा.
Hurry up, you have just 5 minutes for this work. It's very easy. You have just 5 minutes. Do it. It's very simple and it's very, very easy. Keep within your mind that adjectives always gives you the information about a noun. And information should be accurate.
मैम ये रजिस्टर पे करना है?
Yes. I will ask you in the class about the answers of these questions.
मैम ये only 6 हैं?
नहीं बच्चे, मैंने अगला भी आप लोगों को भेजा है. These are 10 basically. ग्रुप के अंदर भेजी हुई है, देखो उसको.
मैम इधर फर्स्ट और 8th एमसीक्यूज की स्टेटमेंट शो नहीं हो रही.
हो रही है, उसको गौर से देखो दोबारा. पिक्चर को खोल के देखो.
I'm done.
Everybody have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So first of all, we have. 1 minute, रुको. Okay, the very first question we have is. 1 minute. Let me open it. Her hair is long and. Her hair is long and.
Curly.
Curly.
Why
Curly.
not happy? Why not happy?
Ma'am, there is no sense with hair like happy. Happy.
Yes, exactly. Her hair is long and curly. You have to understand the sense first of all. He drives a bright red sports car. It's very
Fast.
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 Why not wild?
Because car is moving fast, not wild.
Car is not related to the sense of a wild. ठीक है? Car will always be fast or slow. ठीक है? And why not shallow? What is meant by this shallow? What is meant by this shallow? I am asking the questions to everybody. Don't need to raise your eyes, just answer me. What is meant by this shallow? Ali Hassan Lali.
No, ma'am.
You don't know. अच्छा shallow होता है ये जो एक depth होती है किसी चीज की, जिस तरह से आपके बाउल्स होते हैं ना, बाउल्स के अंदर थोड़ी depth होती है. In the same way shallow उसको कहते हैं. ठीक है? Okay, the next one. Today the weather is going to be
Warm.
Why not urgent? Why not urgent?
Because it not make a sense.
Because it's not the sense.
Exactly. This house is dash and old.
Awkward.
Awkward.
Why awkward? Why awkward?
Ma'am, because house is also old.
Because it's old.
House is old and
House is old. Why awkward? Awkward क्या होता है?
हॉरर टाइप जी, इरिटेटेड हॉरर टाइप।
नहीं awkward horror के साथ
अजीब।
awkward होता है अजीब। ठीक है, strange आप कह सकते हैं, ठीक है। हाँ जी, जैसे सेंटेंस होता है ना, what an awkward situation, what an awkward behavior. Awkward cannot be a house. This house is horrible.
large.
वो जो आप हॉरर की सेंस में कह रही हो ना, डरोना घर, वो awkward नहीं होगा, वो horrible हो सकता है। This house is large and old. I am feeling really dash today.
Happy.
This food is at the supermarket. The food at the supermarket is always
Fresh.
okay. Her new husband is very
Smart.
Take care of this letter. It's
urgent.
Why not blonde?
Because not Latin is not long.
Blonde क्या होता है? What is
It
meant
is
by
used for hair. It is used for hair. Fair hair.
Exactly. Blonde color होता है, ठीक है, जो कि hairs के लिए लोग यूज करते हैं और बिल्कुल ही अजीबोगरीब अपने बाल बना लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो blonde जो है वो कलर की सेंस में यूज होता है। I had a brilliant holiday. It was really
Relaxing.
I have fallen in love with a dash woman.
Beautiful.
Why not handsome?
Because
Handsome is used for the male.
Handsome is not
Handsome
used
is
in the sense of female. Exactly. Now move towards another. Okay, I will send you those the rest of the activities after the class, and you will do it on your register. We will discuss it later. First of all, we have to discuss some more things, which are the degrees of adjectives. And have you studied before these things, the degrees of adjectives?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is meant by these degrees of adjectives?
There are 3 degrees of adjective.
What is meant by this degree, first of all?
Categories.
Category states.
कैटेगरी कह सकते हो, स्टेट कह सकते हो। अब जैसे होता है ना डिग्री जो होता है वो किसी की स्टेट को डिस्कस करता है। फॉर एग्जांपल 10 डिग्री है टेम्परेचर, या 15 डिग्री है, 30 डिग्री है, या माइनस में है, तो वो एक डिग्री जो है वो स्टेट को डिस्कस करता है, हाई है या लो है, ठीक है, हाई है या लो है। इन द सेम वे एडजेक्टिव्स भी जो होते हैं, ठीक है, वो डिग्रीज को डिस्कस करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर 3 डिफरेंट डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स, and the number one, who is going to tell me the names of those degrees?
Ma'am, positive, comparative and superlative.
Positive, comparative and superlative, and these are understandable from their names. Positive is an irregular, ठीक है, means to say irregular, जो कि एक simple सी statement होती है। He is Ariba, mute yourself. Ariba, mute yourself. एक सिंपल सी स्टेटमेंट होती है। फॉर एग्जांपल, ही इज अ ग्रेट ऑथर, ही इज अ ग्रेट ऑथर, यू कैन से ही इज अ ग्रेट राइटर। दिस वन इज द प्लेन स्टेटमेंट। हियर वी आर पर्टिकुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट राइटर giving us the information that he is a great writer, ठीक है। Here we are not comparing that writer with any other writer with all the authors or the writers, but here we are talking about that particular author, that he is great. simple, that is a positive. जब आप simple चीजों को लेके रखते हैं, ठीक है, he is a smart boy. Smart एक simple सी, आप किसी के साथ comparison नहीं हो रहा, but he or she himself or herself are you can say उनकी एक particular quality है, ठीक है. These are the जो कि आप नॉर्मल अपनी कन्वर्सेशन में या अपने एडजेक्टिव्स में यूज करते हैं. दैट इज द पॉजिटिव, दैट इज सिंपल, दैट इज यूज्ड टू गिव यू द इंफॉर्मेशन और मॉडिफाई समथिंग, बट हियर यू आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग इट टू एनी अदर थिंग. But now move towards this comparative. What do you think? It's very easy and easy to know about it from its name. What is comparative?
Compares two things.
It compares two or more things.
In which we compare one noun with another.
Okay. Comparative, it's very understandable from its name. Comparative, when we compare two things with each other. Comparative, that will be the degree of comparative in the adjectives. For example, he is greater author than the previous one. He is a greater author. He is a greater author than the previous one. Here we are comparing. Here I'm not using the word he is a great author than the previous one. But in order to make it something, in order to give some of the emphasis, in order to emphasize that writer, in order to emphasize the information about that writer, you will use the word greater. ठीक है, ग्रेटर या ग्रेटेस्ट आप जब कहते हैं, ये जो ER यूज होता है ग्रेटर में, ठीक है, या EST यूज होता है, दीज आर द सफिक्सेस. सफिक्सेस होते हैं जो कि आप वर्ड के एंड पे यूज करते हैं उसकी एक सेंस क्रिएट करने की. फॉर एग्जांपल बॉयिश, गर्लिश, ये जो ISH लग रहा है एंड पे, ये these are the suffixes used to give the sense of the word. So these comparative degree, और comparative के अंदर keep within your mind कि comparative के अंदर आप then भी use करते हैं. comparative के अंदर then use करते हैं in order to make it in the sense of the comparative. ठीक है, comparison की sense create करने के लिए आप then भी use करते हैं. So comparative adjectives are used to compare two things, and while talking about this comparison you will use the word greater. Now comes to what this superlative adjective, superlative degree. Superlative is also very clear from its name, super. ठीक है, superlative, that is a degree, and that is an absolute degree. Absolute means to say when you are going to compare not two people or two things or two places with each other, but you are going to compare one thing with all the others. For example, he is the most intelligent student of the class. He is the most intelligent student of the class. Here most is giving you the information that he is the topper, he is on the number one among all the students in the class. ठीक है, so here we are comparing not two people or degree that will give you the sense के सबसे ज्यादा जो है वो coldest city है, that is Skardu. Skardu is the coldest city. जो coldest है ये this is the giving you the sense of the superlative degree. Absolute degree की sense को आपको describe कर रहा है. That will be the superlative degree. These are the, और इसके अंदर आप ये suffixes use कर सकते हैं, या for example the word is good. Good का जब आप comparison कर रहे होते हैं तो he is a good boy. ठीक है, जब आप comparison में आ रहे हैं he is a better one, he is a better boy than that one. ठीक है, for example the very first positive degree में जब आप आएंगे he is a good student, he is a good student. ठीक है, जब आप comparative में आ रहे हैं then he is a better student than that person. ठीक है, किसी का भी नाम ले दें. ठीक है, लेकिन जब आप इसमें आ रहे हैं सुपरलेटिव में आ रहे हैं तो गुड की जो सुपरलेटिव सेंस होती है वो होती है बेस्ट. ठीक है, ही इज द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द क्लास. गुड, बेटर एंड बेस्ट. ठीक है, तो ये डिग्रीज को आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's enough for today. We have discussed about the types as well as we have also done an activity in the class, and we have also discussed the degrees. I will send you the rest of the activity in the group and you will do it. And uh, I will also send you a video to watch and to listen, and we will also discuss that video in the class for a communication activity. ठीक है, so and degree से related भी एक activity आपको group के अंदर भेज दूंगी. You will do that activity. And what about the book which I have sent you? आप लोगों के winter vacations कब से हो रही हैं? Do you know about it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. मुझे नहीं पता. Clear नहीं है मुझे information अभी तक. तो
Before
ये
mid
है
होनी है
कि अच्छा, तो आप लोगों की जो मिड्स हैं वो भी देख लेते हैं कि कब तक होने हैं. तो हमें अपना जो सिलेबस है उसको भी मिड से पहले जो मिड्स के तक हमने करना है वो हमने कंप्लीट करना है. अदर देन दैट वी हैव टू अब बुक की बात करें तो विंटर वेकेशंस के लिए आपको मैंने वो बुक की एक्टिविटीज देनी है जो कि बुक के अंदर होंगी. थिंग्स आर द सेम, बट आई थिंक बुक के अंदर इतनी वो ज़्यादा नहीं है जो कि अभी तक हमने क्लास के अंदर डिस्कस कर ली है. बट दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आर very very important. You should know about those things. आप उसको स्टडी करेंगे, रीड आउट करेंगे बुक को. उसके अंदर जो एक्टिविटीज है वो आपका विंटर वेकेशन का टास्क होगा. ठीक है, स्कूल के अंदर हमें मिलते थे ना समर वेकेशन होमवर्क मिलता था ना.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
विंटर वेकेशन होमवर्क दूंगी, ठीक है. और वो आप लोग अपना वो बुक के अंदर से वो जो एक्टिविटीज हैं वो करोगे. फारिग तो नहीं रहना ना, फारिग तो रहना शैतान का काम होता है. अगर आप फारिग रहना चाहते हैं तो शैतान की कैटेगरी में शामिल हो जाएं. फारिग नहीं रहना तो वो बुक का काम आप लोग करोगे बैठ के, ठीक है. तो दैट विल बी योर वर्क फॉर द विंटर वेकेशन. और मैं आप लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करा दूंगी कि कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं, कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं, कौन कौन वर्ड्स कह रही हूँ, कौन कौन से नंबर्स हैं या टॉपिक्स हैं जो के, और कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं जो कि आप लोग विंटर वेकेशंस में करोगे. ठीक है, सो इट्स एनफ फॉर टुडे. See you on next Wednesday. Take care of yourself. Khuda Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.